nandito kami sa Victoria, BC. First stop namin dito sa cruise. Ayan. Pansinin nyo yung mga bahay, floating houses siya dito sa Fisherman's Wharf. And then ito, yung lineup na yan, pare sa water taxi and tours. Ayan. So, padating na yung water taxi. Yan yung map. So, right now we're here. Yan, Fisherman's Wharf. Tapos, somewhere there, nakadock yung aming cruise ship. So, ayan, daming mga restaurants. Yung ibang mga bahay, ano rin sila ng business nila para ano rin, syempre may income sila kasi mahal din ang property dito, pati property tax. Mexican seafood. So I think close pa sila, kaya ito, ayan yan, iba pang mga water house. Ayan. See? Gaganda ng mga bahay. Ayan sila, oh. Ang foundation nila. Ano kayang foundation nila? Diyan kasi nasa tubig lang sila. Naka-float lang sila. Ayan. So, private homes and it's under 24-hour surveillance. Ayan. Cute na mga houses, different colors. Meron pa din sa kabila. Ang dami rin. Ayan. Tsaka yan yung whale and wildlife tours. Yeah. Yan yung mga sana, yung water taxi. Sana. Ano, wala. Pumasok na. So, andyan na saan ang parliament? Nakikita ba dito? Yan, puro hotels, yung mga yan, yung mga buildings. Yung parliament. So, ayan, mga ano naman, mga malalaking boat. Ayan, o. Mga yate. Ayan, mga hotels. And ano, G, enjoy ba?
Oh, enjoy.
Tapos may na-meet kaming bagong friend from LA.
Hi, Marilyn.
Marilyn. Nurse siya sa LA. Yeah. Nag-meet kami sa cruise ship. Ayan. Kung na mo di, kunyari, inaano. Teka. Ito. Okay, so more restaurants. Maraming mga seafood restaurants. Ayan, may Mexican, may Canadian seafood flavor. So, ayan yung marina nila. Ayan. Fresh fish, fresh food, fresh beer. Ayan o, marina. Siguro yung mga owners dito meron din silang sariling mga yate, no? Mga yacht or yung small boat. Fish and chips. Ito naman yung mini donuts. Ang ganda. Ang cute. Hindi, ano kasi. Oh. Yeah, or late sila mag-open. Pero hindi, close na siguro talaga, no? for summer kasi tapos na ang summer. Ay, sorry. Ito ang, yeah, washroom to. CR. So, puro ano na to, mga yacht. Ayan, dumating na yung water taxi. So, ipapasyal sila around the area, along the water, front. Ayan, medyo puno na yung isang water boat, water taxi. Ito naman ang next. Ayan.
Water taxi.
Gusto kaya nila? Picture, Dan. Oh, picture. Ayan, paalis na yung water taxi. Gusto nyo water taxi? Gusto kaya nila? May space pa, oh. Gusto nyo try? Paalis na. Magkano muna? Hi, how much is the fare?
$15 per person.
15 for one way?
Yes.
Okay, and then we can buy a round trip, a return ticket.
Pay the captain or pay at the other dock.
Oh, okay.
Come back.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
How much?
15. So it's $15 one way. 10 minutes. Oh, okay. $15 for 10 minutes. I know.
Mahal pa yata na mahal pa yata ang sweldo ng dentista niyan.
So, andito kami sa isang place where you can see the different logos of the provinces of British Columbia and territories. So, let's check the first one. It's the Yukon Territory. Next is British Columbia. Oh, wait. Ang Yukon Territory, 19... Ay, wala. Wala yan. Ang British Columbia, 1871. Ang Alberta, 1905. Saskatchewan, 1905. Manitoba, 1870. Ontario, 1867. And then ito yung sa passport natin yata. Tapos, Quebec, 1867, New Brunswick, 1867, Nova Scotia, 1867, Prince Edward Island, 1873, Newfoundland, 1949, New Territories, Northwest Territories, walang ang nanabot. So, yung mga territories, wala silang mga date kasi I would assume na, kasi andyan na sila since the beginning of time. Confederation Garden Port. So it's a project of the capital Improvement District Commission and the government of the province of British Columbia in commemoration of Canada's centennial year 1967. Ayan. Yan yung ano, di ba? Yung nasa passport natin.
Oh, Parliament.
Ayan, oo. So, next na pupunta namin, Parliament. Okay. So, this is the Canada passport. Tapos, yan siya. Yan. And kaya nakaikot yung mga territories and provincial logos ng Canada. Nasa gitna yung emblem ng Canada. Kaya yan din yung nasa passport namin. So, here sa Parliament of Canada or BC? BC Parliament. Capital of British Columbia, itong Victoria. Kaya andito ang Parliament. So, nasaan na siya? Nasa isang island, Victoria Island. At least may pa rin mga flowers kahit na autumn na. Tapos na ang summer. Ang British Columbia, hindi masyadong nagsusnow as compared to other provinces, especially yung nasa east. Yeah. So, banda dun naman sa far right ko, ang museum. And then, sa front ko, yan ang Empress Hotel. The oldest hotel dito sa Victoria. Ito, si Queen Victoria nga pala. Of course. Si Queen Victoria. Yung statue. Tapos yung totem pole, merong ano yun eh, may history. Kaya lang hindi ko alam kung ano ang meaning ng mga ano na yan, sunod-sunod na merong isang group, isang tour group, and-explain sa kanila. Oh yeah, obelisk. Yeah. So ito na yung seaside, waterfront ng Victoria. Kaya lang kami, yung cruise ship naman, kasi ano ito eh, medyo shallow ang tubig, kaya yung mga cruise ship dun sa kabila, nilakad lang namin from the port to here. Para makaikot ulit dito sa Victoria. First stop namin sa cruise. So ito yung first Canadian stop. And then next, puro US na kami. Sa Oregon, ang next namin. Seattle to sa Oregon. Here sa Empress Hotel. So part siya ng Fairmont Hotel Group. Empress. It's the oldest hotel here in Victoria and the biggest as well. Yan. So every season, ibang flowers ang makikita dito. Ibang iba-ibang mga plants and flowers. Tapos dun sa may likod, o sa side pala, may mga roses, different kinds of roses. Pero dito, iba naman ng mga flowers. Dati, nakakapasok sa loob. Pero ngayon, I'm not sure kasi merong nagbabantay. Hindi na siguro basta-basta makapasok. Before, kahit na sino pwede. Ay! Parang... Sandali. I think pwede dun sa side. We'll try na pumasok dun sa side entrance ng hotel.
Shuttle bus papunta.
Okay. So ito, yung mga bus na yan, yung green and white, yan yung papunta sa cruise ship. Sa port. Yung isa naman, sightseeing Victoria. So dito sila nakapark. So try namin hopefully makapasok sa loob ng hotel. Medyo malamig ngayon kaya kami naka-jacket. Kasi nga tapos na ang summer. Dito kaya o dun sa isa? Try natin dito. Oo. Ay, pwede nga. Pwede siya. Dan. Oh.
Kaya ito bakit?
Nakita, kakilala. Kasama sa cruise? Ay, sumama na, sinabay na namin.
Ano pa gagawin mo?
So, ayan, makakapasok kami sa Empress Hotel. Check out natin. It's an old hotel. Kaya pati yung color, yung mga decors, design. Ito yung tea store. Ayan. Ayan.
Yeah.
And then lobby and lounge ng hotel. So dyan mag-check-in. Ito may mga shop. Merong shop ng mga bags. 25% off ngayon. Limited time only. Tapos ito naman sa right, mga jewelry. It's a jewelry store. Oh, stones, jewelry. Tingin tayo. Tingin tayo. Hi. You have an aquamarine? Aquamarine? Huh? Okay, going to the conference center. Conference or convention center. Nice, marami mga totem poles and plants. Okay. Done? Victoria Conference Center. Saan? Fountain. Ang ganda nitong bell, ano, flower. Saan? Yeah. Halika. Ang ganda nito. Ang lalaki. Yay! My favorite color, yellow. Okay, pasok ulit sa convention center. Conference center. Bakit? Meron doon. Ang laki ng ano. Yung bell na flower. Saan sila? Saan? Oh! Tingnan mong itsura niya.
Disambot si, basically,
Angelina Jolie. Okay. Check namin yung lobby ng hotel. So, merong nagpa-piano. Ito yung kanilang lounge. Pwede ka dyan mag-coffee or tea, dessert. Yan na stairs na paakyat. Kanilang restaurant. Ah, doon. Doon naman yun sila.
High tea tsaka high chair.
Parang ibang, ewan ko saan. Ano? Ay, aso. Laki. Oo nga. Ha? Ano? Ayan, nice dog. Ang laki niya. Doon na tayo lalabas. Sa pababa. Dito naman tayo. Dami nilang mga handbags na binibenta dito. Hi, kumusta? Valentino. Ha?
Kilala mo agad yung Pinas.
Typical.
Parang ako nun, Cambodian pala yun.
Oo nga.
Sa church yun, di ba?
Oo, mahina si Baki sa ganyan.
Ah! Oo. Ayun, ang ganda nun, no? Tapos na? Tapos na yung lobby. Ito, isa pang part ng ano yata eh, isang area ng hotel. Yeah. Dito mag-check-in. Pero yung room natin sa isang side dati. Ayan, labas na kami ng Empress Hotel. More flowers. Ayan ang maganda. Ayan. So, yan sa across the street is the visitor center dito sa Victoria. And pag yung straight ahead, andyan yung mga stores, shopping mall. Oh, yan, whale. Okay, so ayan no, mga general store, tsaka mga signature stores. Papunta rin Chinatown, banda dyan. Pag summer, may makikita ka mga tables and chairs along the sidewalk. Visitor Center. Actually, perfect lang ang ang weather today. Hindi siya, yes, oo. So, we're so blessed kasi ang forecast is rain for 3 days. But so far, magandang weather na naman kami. So, ito yung waterfront. Ito yung mga tour boat para sa mga whale watching. Tsaka ikot-ikot lang sa mga saan. Ang liit nilang tingnan sa malayo. Water taxi. Tapos yan, yung mga yellow para sa mga whale watching tour. That's museum. Yeah. Ay, teka. Empress Hotel. Malaki rin siya. Ayan. Ito na yung pinaka-downtown din. Yung tourist area talaga. Okay.
Dahil Pilipino rito, no? Sa ano? Taga sa atin, James. Ay, puro Cavite, ah. Ilan yung mga nakausap namin kanina, puro mga Cavite.
Oh, meron din railway ka dito.
Ito mga pre-love bags.
Yan sir, ano na po?
Ito brand new to. Ito mga pre-owned. Yan.
Down, front, two, up. Up, down, front, two, up.
I can tell how many people are laughing. No idea what this is. Pump it up. Pump it up. Pump it up.
Okay, now everybody can remove the headphones and tell me what message did you get.
I'm different.
What did you get?
Pump it up.
Up, down, front, two, up. Up, down, pump you up. Almost.
Up, down, pump you level.
Bangga! Very good!
Cuisine. So, nandito ang camera sa taas.
Sa labi, nakataas pa ang pants.
Ito ang screen mamaya sa table.
Before we start, let me give you a couple of tips in order to get the best experience. Please, remove your personal items from the tabletop so that Le Petit Chef does not trip as he likes running around. Place your napkins in your lap and make sure your plate is perfectly aligned with the magical circle of light. Please silence your phone so as not to disturb the other guests. And now, without further ado, allow me to introduce to you, all the way from France, measuring 6 centimeters, the world's smallest chef, Le Petit Chef.
Bonjour! In the 19th century, an Italian chef created a pizza to celebrate the visit of Queen Margherita to Naples. He made a pizza with 3 ingredients that represented the colors of the new Italian flag. Red, the tomato sauce. White, the mozzarella cheese. And green, the basil topping. And so the pizza margherita was born, which was so successful that the tomato became a popular ingredient in many different dishes.
The real tomato.
The tomato.
Yan, salmon with gazpacho.
They use composition, colors, and texture to evoke emotion. I consider the plate as if it is a blank canvas. I usually start with sketching my ideas. I even think it's important to think about the color of the table itself. 1, 2, 3. I remember when I started cooking, I was really inspired by the Dutch painter Van Gogh. I loved so much how he used big strokes of color. Delicious! Then I discovered the Spanish artist Pablo Picasso, and I decided I wanted to become a cubistic chef. Oh, I loved so much to be precise and exact, that I took it to the next level and only made perfect geometrical food inspired by the Dutch painter Mondrian.
Okay.
Oh, look at that, so neat and tidy. My mother would be there dining in a dream. Inspired by the great Salvador Dali.
Salvador Dali. Then I went through a metaphysical phase and started to be all philosophical and asked myself, what is a dinner? Inspired by the Belgian painter René Magritte. After this, I had the idea to serve all my courses in soup cans. Not 1, not 2, not 3, but 9 courses of soup. Soup as amuse-bouche, soup as appetizer, soup as main course, soup as dessert. Inspired by the American pop artist Andy Warhol.
Thank you.
Good for
Pinakamaganda ito.
Yes. Grandmother. Okay. Very nice. Grandmother. Yes.
Parang masarap. More than, yan din in-order na.
Lahat to. Thank you.
Thank you, merci. Enjoy.
Ikaw na lang ko ng ito. Masarap eh. Super, super. Oh, parang super. Kasi ilang hours na Brine sila ng more than a day. Ang sarap. Grabe. Super sarap. Ikaw ko na ako habang kumakain.
Yes. It's very soft.
Very soft.
Okay.
Yes. Yeah, we'll take a video. Okay. Kain naman. Okay.
Delicious. Just make sure they are delicious and super nutritious. So your guests are overwhelmed with all the flavors. Play mistake for extra taste, but keep your distance, s'il vous plaît. If the meat is overcooked, you'll end up washing dishes. Become quick at slicing and cooking, frying oil and baking, grilling, spicing. Don't forget to use stick oil to become a chef. Freshly cooked, freshly fed, thermophiles, girls of fed. A good meal is not complete if you forget something sweet. Sour, bitter, salty. Don't forget about umami. Always keep the spoon close by so you can try. Sacre bleu, déglacé, au bain-marie, pot au feu. Oh, it helps to speak some French when you are cooking. Learn to whisk up the cream so you can pursue your dream. Allez, soufflez, you must go all the way. Every morning, every evening, so your customers will say, such a better, eat the spice, a bit of chili would be nice. Just watch out, your guest mouth on fire. Cut the head from the fish before serving it on the dish. If you blink with this knife, you are sure to look for fun. And when you start it moving, your guests will be amazed. So cool, with my boo. That's how you learn to be a chef. Luckily, I can cook better than I can sing. So Take a risk, add some flair to the meals that you prepare, and together with your team you come closer to your dream. No worries about failing, we'll help you learn our skills, like hosting and boiling and steaming, catching, raising, fighting out, be creative. Only think about the flavor, and you know you go far when you get that last star, and you are a chef.
Okay.
Okay, so one more. Alright.
Happy birthday, Auntie. Thank you.
After 3. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Georgie.
Georgie, yes.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, dear Georgie. Happy birthday to you.
Thank you.
Happy New Year.
Thank you. There you go.
Picture you take right here, right now, right?
Chef's dining experience, and look forward to seeing you again soon. Adieu et au revoir.
Iba-ibang music.
So ayan, merong silent disco. Meron silang headphones. Iba-iba sila ng mga kanta. Tapos pwede nilang kantahin yung mga songs sa kanilang headset. Tapos, ayan. So, pwedeng iba-ibang mga kanta. Pwede silang sumayaw. And then, kanta at the same time. So, but it's a silent disco. So, wala kang maririnig na music. Sila lang nakakarinig.